Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Life. Here's a quick tip video that will help you diagnose your car if you're experiencing severe power loss. And what I mean by severe is like you're stepping on the gas all the way down and it just seems like it's being choked. Like there's not any power going to it. It seems like either the air is not being enough or there's not enough fuel going in, and you don't have any check engine lights. So if you have check engine lights, first solve all the lights. Solve if there's an O2 sensor, vacuum leak, solve all of that first. If you check the fuel pressure and all that's still normal, so it should be around 50 psi, and then you're still stumped and you can't get the power loss returned, more than likely what it's going to be is your catalytic converters. They're probably clogged. And a lot of people think that's a hoax, that they don't usually get clogged. But here's a quick way to test if it is your catalytic converters. So what I like to do is I will just remove the top two O2 sensors, and basically what that does, it creates a massive exhaust leak from the top before the catalytic converter. So if they were truly clogged, once you do this, you should have some of that power loss being restored. It's gonna sound absolutely like crap, but when you're driving, it should feel a lot better than it did with these in. And what that pretty much does is, since it does create that exhaust leak, if the catalytic converters are clogged, most of the exhaust is already gonna be escaping from the two holes for the O2 sensors. And that will allow you to tell if the catalytic converters were actually clogged, and you'll have somewhat of the power restored. Another common issue is the Vano seals. The Vano seal, usually what that will do is you'll have more of a stutter first between like 2500 to 3000 RPM. It'll feel like there's just like a power loss all of a sudden between that RPM range. But it could also be worse. But Vano seals are usually already on their way out around 40 to 50,000 miles. So it shouldn't be to the point of catalytic converters being clogged. The power loss should not be as significant. So if you are experiencing some power loss, severe power loss, take out your O2 sensors, take it for a spin, see if some of that power gets restored. Once again, that's not going to restore all of it because only some of that exhaust is being able to escape, but it should help out a lot, and that should let you know if your cats are clogged or not. Obviously, there's other ways to check as well. You can run exhaust back pressure test. You can pressurize the intake system per pressure gauge to see how much pressure is being thrown back because of that exhaust being clogged. But this is the quickest and easiest way to check without having any other equipment. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And once again, the quickest way to get in touch with me is through Instagram at ShopLifeTV. And if you guys need any work done in the Southern California area, feel free to contact me. My shop's name is Alpha Motorworks. And once again, you can still contact me through my Instagram. I can't stress this enough. I do not take any walk-in clients. Main reason, I don't have any parking. I'm usually slammed all throughout. So make sure you get in touch with me before you decide to head over to the shop. That way we can schedule an appointment. Make sure you go check out the vlog channel as well to stay up to date with what's going on throughout the shop. We try to update the vlog channel as much as we can, and it just gives you more of an outlook on what shop life is really like. And I try to include some of these kind of tips in there as well. But anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.